Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa, and like the title says, it's a huge Chalk Couture haul. The new catalog for Chalk Couture was released on February 4th, and I got a lot of my orders. They came actually in 2 boxes, pictured here. I had to turn them over so that you won't see my address. But anyway, here are some of the items that came in, and I'm probably going to end up dividing this video in 2 or 3 parts, and it'll show on the title. Anyway, without further ado, let me go ahead and start showing you the items that came in. We'll start off with this 4-inch handled squeegee. Sorry for the noise. This is used for larger images. So it's the same thing basically as our regular squeegees, the small ones. They're about this big. So all you have to do, if it's a bigger image, is do the same thing. And it comes with a handle, which is very handy. So the next items I'm going to show you, and some of these items, by the way, guys, are orders. But I'm showing you because I was so excited when it came in. And so I figured, I'll unbox them and show them to you what we have gotten. This is a Chalkology paste, and this is candy apple. So this is a new color in the new catalog. It's Peony, and I think I ordered 2 of this. And then we have black velvet. I have 3 of this, and we have the ocean mist. This is a new one that I'm very excited about. They came out with the shimmer copper. This one is the copper. It's kind of brownish, but it's got the shimmery, glittery feel to it. And you can, I don't know if you can tell, but it is very shimmery. And then let me go ahead and, because these are just repeats of the last ones. And this is another new color. It's poppy. But, I'm looking at it and comparing it with our candy apple. Poppy is a little bit muted, maybe, yeah. You can see how bright the candy apple is compared to poppy. And then the last one that I have here, because these are the 2 velvet and that's another Peony. This is the shimmer gold. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited that this came out because they only had the shimmer. They had the shimmer gold, copper, and silver in the ink, but they never had it in paste. So they came out with it this time around, and I'm so excited to play with this. Then they also came out with new stir sticks. How awesome is this, guys? So we have some stir sticks. I still probably will end up using the multi-tool when I stir my my paste, but these are for, I'm going to use this for classes that I'm going to have. If, by the way, you are here in my area in Las Vegas and would like to have a class, invite some friends to have a class so I can show you how to work with the Chalk Couture projects, hit me up, just comment down below. So these are the stirrers. So those are the paste that I got, and this is very new to me. I haven't ordered this yet, so this is my first time ordering them. And these are all the Chalk Couture ink, and this will work on fabric. So let me show you, excuse the noise. Let me show you the colors. So this one is Fig. I love it. It's muted. It's a muted purple violet color. It's really cute. And then we have, this is the Couture Coral in ink. So again, you can use this for fabric. You can use our transfers and use them on fabric. So when you don't have to, if you like an image and you'd like to put it on fabric, say a blanket or a pillowcase or a shirt even. So continuing on, we have, this is the shimmer coral. And let me show you the difference of the shimmer. Oh wait, I'm sorry. This is the shimmer copper in the inks, and this is the shimmer copper in the paste. There's a little bit of a difference because I'm assuming it's the formulation of both, whether it is the ink or the paste. The ink is normally runnier than the paste, and the paste is more thicker, as you've seen me work with them. And I've worked with the inks before, and they are more runnier. Then we have the bright white in ink. So this is the bumblebee. I am having such a hard time getting a bumblebee paste. It's always sold out. So that's the bumblebee. And then we have this is the eucalyptus. It's kind of, you know, those old blues or old teal, and I really like this color. So this is eucalyptus. And then we have, this is meadow. This is a new color too. See how, I think it is a new color, but I love how the green, the shade of green, I love it. It reminds me of spring, you know, when the leaves start coming out and start getting into that, you know, before they come out light green, and then they turn into this shade, and then they get darker. That shade is my most favorite on trees. When I see them, it's like it's cool to the eyes. And then we have candy apple, and let me show you the difference of this candy apple and in ink and the candy apple in paste. Again, the paste is brighter in this case, where the ink is a little bit muted. See the difference? Anyway, so this is candy apple in ink. Then we have the black velvet. And finally, we have, this should be the gold, the shimmer gold. And I am right, this is the shimmer gold. And let's show you the difference between the shimmer gold in paste and in ink. So this is the shimmer gold, am I right? In paste, there's a shimmer gold in ink. And look at the difference, guys. Interesting, huh? When you look at them closer. But again, I'm sure this is all on the formulation of the ink versus the paste. Okay, that's, oh, hold on. I still have one more. So, like I told you guys earlier, I'm having such a hard time getting the bumblebee in the paste. And so I ordered them in singles. They're always sold out because they're so, the yellow is so vibrant, that's why. So this is the singles in bumblebee. So that's that for the inks and the paste. Now let's get to surfaces. Okay, so I'm having a party next Saturday. I'm so excited. And so we're going to work with the inks. That's why I ordered a lot of inks. And these are the Chalk Couture square pillow covers. So this is what we're going to be playing with, and I hope to show you pictures after the pop-up party or the class that I'm going to have. And in each pack, and I have ordered 6. In each pack, there are 2 canvas square pillow covers. So the covers are measures 17.5 by 17.5. So these are the covers. And then what you see here is actually the ink mat. So the ink mat is what you place in between the fabric. So say, for example, you're using the pillow cover. So you just put this in the pillow cover so that the back side of the material or the cover, pillow cover, won't get stained with the ink, because you only want to cover or to ink the top portion. And this is what basically protects it from getting into the back of the pillow cover or shirt. So yeah, that's what we have for the inks and the accessories. And now let's move on to, this is so cute. So I divided up the different transfers into the sizes. Now I'm going to show the prices for the catalog prices for this. These are the A transfers. They measure 5 by 7. This is the first one that I got. And again, like I said, some of these are ordered items and some of them are not. So they are going to go in my inventory and some of them will go for my class kits. So the first one is so cute. This is actually in the baby section of the catalog. Don't grow up, it's a trap. And then of course, the initials, they have the monogram letters, and this is the K. And then life's a beach. Remember, when you see these lines here, you can cut up these lines so that you can separate the transfers. And then how cool is that? TGIF. This grandma is fabulous. Excuse for the glare of my my light up here. Okay, this is true. Well-behaved women rarely make history. And this is also so true. Do small things with great love. I hope this is, I hope it's not, the glare's not too bad. And then we have the welcome trio. You can cut this up in 3. You can put this around bottles or vases if you have 3, and you know how you decorate your homes and you have 3 items, and you can put one on a vase and says welcome, the other one says hello, and the other one says gather. And then here, he is risen. I really like this too. So you can put this in, say, baseboard, the base and the board right here. I had my previous project here, and you can just put that on there and chalk it. I'm gonna chalk this. If I was gonna chalk this, I'm gonna chalk it in gold. And then yeah, I would chalk this in gold, or you can chalk it in white. And then, guys, I like this one too. I'm not adulting today. Tomorrow doesn't look good either. This is too cute for words. And then, of course, we have the family trio. You have family, friends, and memories. This would be good for a scrapbooking page, right? I have to figure out. I know there's a way to put to use the transfers into a scrapbook and put them onto scrapbook, and I'll have to find out how to do that. I have 3 of this, and this is one of the things, one of the transfer. Well, actually, this is actually one of my favorite transfers. When in doubt, add glitter. That kind of sums me up. I love glittery things. I was also telling my friends I must be some kind of those, I forgot what bird, what breed of birds actually are very attracted to shiny things. I probably was that in my previous life. But anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut this for now and then go to the other transfers. So see you in a few.